Today I am starting the 100 video challenge. Hey everyone, my name is Aiko and I like to do some challenges. So last May, I did the 10,000 steps challenge for 2 months, and that made a really good impact on my life. It made me happier. I lost a little bit of weight, but all in all my mood just got better, and now I'm down to 8,000 steps a day, which is really great. I love it. And then I also did one video per day TikTok challenge, and it turned out really well. I gained not a lot of followers, but it is really effective if you are consistent. So there is result in consistency. So now I wanted to test YouTube if if I can be consistent, if I can really post consistently, if there will be results, because who knows, there's no harm in trying, right? So as a background, I am a VA for maybe around 11 to 12 years already. I've been in the industry for a long time, and I can really see that social media, the internet, it has a lot of like money from it, so you can really gain a lot. So I've been working for different clients, and maybe I just wanted to check if I can also have that success for myself, or even if not, at least I have learned, and I've tried, so that's really important for me. I am a mom of 2 boys. Both are in the neurodivergent spectrum, because my youngest is not yet diagnosed, but there is a risk. So, and I am also a wife. As I've said, I am a VA. My life is boring, but I romanticize it every day. I guess boring is what we aim for this year, because we are a bit tight on our budget. We are living intentionally. We are being mindful with everything that we do and we acquire. So that's it. One thing that made this 100 videos appealing to me is that I can potentially learn what topics are the people will be interested in, how to gain traction, what music to use, how can I speak better to my camera, which is only my phone. But I would love to learn things along the way in this journey, so that I can make sure and tell myself in the future that I've done this, that I've had 100 videos in my YouTube, and I don't know what the end results are. I don't really know. So I'm so excited to do this and share things, anything that's going on in my life, my opinions. I'm excited for that. If you're a nobody like me, you're unpopular, you have no following, but you wanted to check if you can make it here in YouTube, then come with me, and maybe you can also do the 100 video challenge. Let's do this together.
It's raining.
If you'd like also to know what the results are, and you also would like to do this challenge, then let's do this together, because you have a subscriber, an automatic subscriber right here. If you subscribe to my channel, or if you engage to me, I will surely give it back to you. So let's help each other, and I'm so excited. This is the launching. This is like like just like a small launching of my 100 videos per day, and let's see where this one takes us, because I'm so inspired and motivated to do this. So thank you so much for your time, and see you in the second video. Bye guys.
Bye, guys.